Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I get the following one warning message while I try to connect the iPhone with my Wi-Fi network, and it shows privacy warning, but my iPhone is connected with this Wi-Fi network. So what is the problem and why this notification occurs? So if you see this privacy warning notification under the Wi-Fi network name, this means that the MAC randomization is disabled and the administrator of the hotspot which you are currently connected to is able to view the real address of your iPhone device. And this notification is only occurs after I update my iPhone to iOS 14. So anyway, how to remove this notification? So if you get this message, just tap on that particular Wi-Fi network and simply click to enable this option, private address. But if you enable this option, your connected Wi-Fi network is automatically disconnected. So friends, you can read this message before going to enable this option. So I try to press rejoin. So my iPhone Wi-Fi is automatically disconnected, and after the few seconds it will automatically join that same Wi-Fi network. So now this time you can see my MAC address is changed to a new one, and also they mentioned the exact reason for this private address feature. So and then I go back to the one step. So now this time you can see that privacy warning message is automatically gone. So friends, if this trick maybe not works, just comment to me. I give some other ideas to fix this problem. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.